So as another example here, which will illustrate some of the a bit more complex diagnostics and the depth that they can go to, I'm clicking into a condenser water loop with tower staging analysis. So here, this is looking at the condenser water plant with their cooling towers. And there's a cost here identified over 1 day of $11. Of course, that cost would fluctuate and can add up over time, even though it's only $11. That's only for a 1 day period. So we can see an opportunity here, which is single tower staging. So opportunity, as we said before, is not that a sequence of operations is not being followed, but that it could actually be improved. So just to walk through the text here, it says that single cooling tower cells seem to be operating at higher capacity before neighboring cells are used effectively. It is usually more efficient to run all cells at lower capacity, tower on with lower fan speeds, before moving some cells to higher capacity. Some cooling tower fans are running at high speeds, while other fans are off or running at lower speeds. And this is adding up to 66 kWh and $11 of savings over that 1 day, which extrapolated out could add up. Suggested action would be to program a new sequence of operations for cooling tower cell staging and have that sequence turn fans on at lower speeds before ramping any fans up to very high speeds. We can see some interesting graphs here describing and illustrating the issue being seen. Here we're looking on the bottom right on a cooling tower fan speeds. So definitely an area that's worthy of investigation. We can see that fan speeds are ramping up very high and then are tracking each other closely and then going through a period of time again in which the staging is ramping up very high on number of fans as well, while others are low. So it's a good example where data with clear text describing what's being seen and graphs showing it can illustrate what's really going on, and now there's a need for investigation to go ahead and determine how to change that sequence to, in fact, be more efficient. So there's a number of other things here, other areas across different system types. We won't have time to go into so many today. I'm just going to click into comfort priority here to resort this list based on comfort. So we get a very different list appearing here. You can